11. It's week 4 of quarantine, and I find myself missing you and Ryburn more than ever. I'm trying to keep busy, because I know this is the only way I will get through this. But however hard I try, parts of pre-lockdown life keep creeping back in.
Oh, come on. You know the rules about phones. You're going to have to hand that over.
No matter how many ways I find to distract myself, I always find myself slipping back into the old routine.
What are you doing out of class? And could you sort that tie out, please?
I just can't seem to stop.
Just going on a run. Why are we wearing trainers? You got an exit out for me to sign. Just see how you go, and if you still feel bad after lunch, you can Zoom Mrs McGarry.
So, to fill my time, I've taken up a few new hobbies. I get locked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get locked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get locked down. I'm falling again, I'm falling again, I'm falling. It's going really well.
So year 11, take care of yourselves. Keep busy, stay safe, help where you can. Can't wait to see you all at prom and on results day. See you soon.